Buena Regional Education Association and NJEA. Proud of our great public schools.
Sorry to interrupt your regularly scheduled program. We bring you live to our newsroom to discuss the outbreak at Buena Regional Middle School.
This algebra class has mastered the art of
differentiation.
Yeah, that's right. Reaching learners kinesthetically, visually, and auditorially through use of
original music. So original.
Warning, this content may be delivered extremely fast.
So fast.
You may have to rewatch for
maximum gains.
Quadratic Emergency. Quadratic Emergency.
Mr. Graziano and his Alge-Brehh class present Quadratic Emergency.
Alge-Brehh, Quadratic Emergency. Here we go. X is equal to negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac. All this over 2a. X is equal to negative b.
That's right.
Plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac. All this over 2a. Quadratic emergency, y'all. Buckle up. Go for a ride. That's why we need to know this. Simple projectile motion. What? You don't know what that is? Throw something in the air and see what happens. And it starts with a function with a x squared. And I don't care about the numbers position, cause I put that equation in vertex form so I could see each transformation, which
maybe up, maybe down, maybe left, maybe right.
Happy face or a frown,
and some
fact and something with symmetry and maximums, parabolas, all U-shaped curves that may or may not touch the x-axis, but solving quadratic equations can have different names like roots, zeros, intercepts, several ways for you to get, which vary from graphically, which works all the time, or directly, which only works when b is 0. Who's our hero?
Algebra, algebra, algebra.
Two other methods for the kids, which both work all the time. Here we go, now count my rhymes.
1, 2.
The first is to complete the square, which coming out clean is really rare, cause we take the square of half a b, which usually leads to a fraction. But relax, son, while I introduce the quadratic equation. And it's so fun, and it always works, and you're probably thinking, why didn't he teach it first? And the reasons for your appreciation. But wait! Before you start, radicals off and evaluate that part and check and see if it be positive or negative or 0. It's no weirdo. It's, ladies and gentlemen, introducing the discriminant. Lots of information comes from it. It tells us a number of solutions for our equation, which may be 2, maybe 1, or even none. Anyway, all we have to do is follow these simple steps to get these x-intercepts, which may be real or complex. So here we go in standard form, and make your list and sing the song, and carefully while plugging and chugging. And it's almost over now, don't cry, dry your eye. All you have to do now is simplify. And here comes our special guest before we lay this track to rest.
Who's that, bruh?
Now open the door up and welcome in Yoda, and y'all will say hi and take notes on how to be a Jedi.
In yourself you will trust, checking your work that you must, simple mistakes you could make, preventing them these actions you take. Use a calculator you may, and check your work every day. And with this I will say, that unfortunately, the end is near. But fear you will not, cause 2 notebooks you got. And forget you will not, the good times we all had, and very few bad, by using the force to remember this algebra course.
Quadratic Emergency.
emergency. The first sick thing. Thank you. Alge-Brehh. Peace.
Thanks for tuning in. Goodbye.
For now.